spore bomb! Haha, this thing is a spore bomb. Every brown speck on that cap is a baby reishi waiting to colonize my lungs. And that is why we are outside, on the balcony, with a leaf blower. Look at her. Look at this nozzle. Tiny but mighty. Built for keyboards. Promoted to mushroom warfare. Brush, brush, brush. Blow, blow, blow. Brush, brush. Ooh, that's a cloud. That's a cloud of children. Bye, children. Go ruin somebody else's HVAC. Look at it shine, look at it shine, look at it shine. Glossy, lacquered. The mushroom is wearing a tuxedo underneath all that dust. To the kitchen. To Helga. This is Helga. She's German. She runs at 40 degrees for a full day and she does not complain. She does not leak. She does not blow valves at 3 in the morning. Imagine that. Now, reishi is a tree. It is literally a tree. We are not slicing. We are pruning. Snip, snip, snip. That's the sound of medicine. 24 hours. 40 degrees. 24 hours of Helga. Sleep well, Brunhilde. Helga's got this one.